Deep cleaning on Acer Nitro AN515-43 laptop. Thank you, Sir Kyle, for trusting PTT IT Solution. Deep cleaning your laptop is a highly beneficial decision that contributes to maintaining its performance, reliability, and overall lifespan. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate within the laptop's vents, fans, and internal components, leading to reduced airflow and potential overheating issues this can cause your system. Slow down, overheat, or even suffer hardware damage. By thoroughly cleaning the laptop's internal and external components, you can ensure proper cooling, prevent unexpected malfunctions, and keep your device running smoothly. Regular deep cleaning not only safeguards your laptop from unnecessary wear and tear, but also improves its efficiency, making it a practical step in preserving your investment and ensuring optimal performance. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled commissions use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.